What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Money coming back to you on this late Tuesday evening. I hope everyone having a great day, had a great weekend. I'd like to give a shout out all to my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for rocking with your boy. Thank you for supporting us all on the Bring the Pain podcast. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Also, follow me on IG E_money_shoes. That's where you can find me at. Now, on a real serious note, people, it ain't that serious about shoes. I'm disappointed because the thing, I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with it, but the shooting that involved a young man and a young girl bought stray bullets over a pair of shoes in Alabama at the River Chase Galleria on Thanksgiving night. It was pretty much an argument broke out, a disagreement. Stray bullet hit the girl, but then the person intended to hit the guy over a pair of shoes. It's really not that serious. Kind of reminds me like back in the 90s when the 11s first dropped. I hope we're not doing a repeat of ourselves. With that being said, regarding the 11s, they saying that's a lot of pairs, but people who want them, you gotta do some work. Hopefully they do a lot of raffles so we can avoid this madness, because you hear all they saying a lot of pairs, but as you can see, Jordan keep doing all these secret drops here and there, so that every time they do a drop, we don't know how many they releasing, and that just basically takes away from whatever they saying they was gonna release. I've been doing my research a little bit, and most stores I've been hearing it's like less than 50 pairs, so take that for what it's worth. So don't be fooled and think you're gonna have time. You think these shoes gonna sit, you're gonna have to start making your preparations, because next week it's gonna be very hectic. So that's my little 2 cents. Now let's jump into this review. Nike Air Force One. I'm gonna do a custom on these joints for sure. Picked them up from the Navy Exchange on Black Friday. Air Force One 07 leather. Suggested retail price is $90, but then in the X is $69, and then they was $25. I think they were like $52. Fisher colorway, sale, black. As you can see, you get both women and men. So it's size 10, because Air Force One they tend to run big. So I went my true to size. Probably could have went down half a size. As you can see, you got the stamper ramp there. You got your Air Force One on the paper, and you can take it out the box, as I always like to do. Check it out, get that once over, around, and right off the bat, you can see that old stinker wrinkle on there. I mean, just some serious stinker wrinkle, like that. All white under the bottom, that's sale. I'm sick of sale, but this one I can deal with. You got your Nike with your trademark R. And just look at that tumble rumble stinker wrinkle basketball all right there. Your perforated holes, your air stitched in right there. Nothing spectacular about the laces, so I'm gonna hook it up to my homie JDS Cool on IG. He's gonna hook these up with a nice little custom on that. You can give him a follow, check him out. I ain't worried about the tongue. You got your Nike Air there with your black check. On the back of these shoes, just check it out, real dope. Got your stinker wrinkle there on the check. Nike Air. It's like an all Nike Air Force One. Look how that is nice engraved in the back. I like that. Really likes it. I like that a lot. I mean, it's pretty much just an all sale shoe, so it'd be perfect for customization. Meter side, nothing different. And the inside, size 10, Nike. Production date, 5/2/18, 7/10/18. So nothing spectacular about this video. Just a plain Jane shoe for a pretty good price. Back in the day, everybody usually had to have a fresh pair of Air Force One. As Nelly them used to always rap about, they made a done song about the shoes. So that's how serious it was. So without further ado, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We're trying to get this video up to at least 20 to 25 likes. And we're trying to hit that 1,300 before the year's over. I know we can do it. Spread the word. Thank you for supporting your boy E-Dub. Don't forget to support the Bring the Pain podcast this week. And I'm out. Peace.